Determined to uncover the truth behind the enchanted tree, Rapunzel listened closely to the fox's advice. "Seek the whispers of the wind," the fox said, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. "It will guide you to what you need." Rapunzel nodded, feeling both nervous and excited. She allowed the breeze to guide her through the garden, its gentle whispers nudging her forward. As she ventured deeper, she met various creatures. A wise owl who shared stories of the old garden, a mischievous squirrel who playfully dropped acorns to grab her attention, and a gentle deer who watched her journey with serene eyes. Each encounter filled Rapunzel's heart with warmth and courage. She followed the path, illuminated by the shimmering wings of the butterfly leading her onward. Finally, Rapunzel reached the heart of the garden where the enchanted tree stood, its leaves dimmed and its branches drooping. Gazing at the tree, she noticed a small hidden hollow nestled among its roots. Inside, a delicate glowing flower awaited, its petals gently pulsating with light. Remembering the fox's words, Rapunzel realized that the flower was the key to restoring the tree's magic. With determination, she gently reached out and touched the flower with her golden hair. Instantly, a surge of warmth flowed from her hair into the flower, igniting it with radiant light that spread through the garden. The tree's leaves shimmered and glowed, regaining their brilliance. The entire garden erupted in vibrant colors and joyous voices. The animals cheered, the flowers bloomed brighter, and the butterfly danced joyfully in the air. The mystery was solved, and the garden's magic was restored. Rapunzel felt a deep sense of fulfillment and happiness. Rapunzel hugged the fox, thanked all her new friends, and promised to return to the magical garden. With a heart full of newfound wonder and connection to the world, Rapunzel climbed her golden hair back up the tower, knowing she was never truly alone. For friendship and adventure awaited just beyond her window.